In today's digitally interconnected world, safeguarding our online privacy has become more crucial than ever. With the increasing prevalence of cyber threats and data breaches, individuals are seeking robust solutions to protect their digital footprint. While some privacy apps are well known, there exist lesser-known yet powerful tools that provide enhanced protection. In this video, we'll explore 5 lesser-known privacy apps that can significantly bolster your online security. Let's start the video. Number 1. Jumbo Privacy. Jumbo Privacy is a comprehensive app designed to manage and enhance your online privacy across various platforms. It offers features such as clearing old tweets, managing Facebook privacy settings, and securing your Google account. With its user-friendly interface and personalized recommendations, Jumbo empowers users to take control of their data privacy effortlessly. Number 2. Proton Mail. Proton Mail is a secure email service that prioritizes user privacy and confidentiality. It provides end-to-end encryption, ensuring that only the intended recipient can access the content of an email. With servers located in Switzerland, known for its strict privacy laws, Proton Mail offers a trustworthy platform for secure communication without compromising convenience. Number 3. DuckDuckGo Privacy Browser. DuckDuckGo's privacy browser is a valuable alternative to mainstream browsers. It prioritizes user privacy by blocking trackers and maintaining strict user anonymity. The browser also features a built-in privacy grade for websites, offering insights into their privacy practices and ensuring a more secure browsing experience. Number 4. Signal. Signal is a messaging app renowned for its end-to-end encryption and commitment to user privacy. With robust security features, including self-destructing messages and optional screen security locks, Signal ensures that your conversations remain private and protected from prying eyes. Number 5. MySudo. MySudo is an all-in-one privacy app that allows users to create multiple pseudo profiles with unique phone numbers, email addresses, and digital identities. It enables users to compartmentalize their online presence, safeguarding personal information and reducing the risk of data breaches or identity theft. While these apps might not enjoy the same widespread recognition as some mainstream privacy tools, their effectiveness in fortifying online security and preserving user privacy cannot be overlooked. With the ever-increasing concerns surrounding data privacy, exploring these lesser-known yet powerful apps can be a proactive step towards safeguarding your digital identity. In conclusion, prioritizing online privacy is paramount in today's digital landscape. The aforementioned privacy apps offer innovative solutions for individuals seeking heightened security measures without compromising convenience. Whether it's managing social media privacy or securing communication channels, these apps provide effective tools to protect your digital footprint. By leveraging these lesser-known privacy apps, users can take proactive steps towards maintaining control over their online data and ensuring a more secure and private digital experience. Thanks for tuning into TechScribe Media. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful tech reviews, in-depth tutorials, and the latest industry updates. Remember, tech knowledge is power, so stay curious and keep exploring with us here at TechScribe Media. Take care.